They call him the king of the jungle. But the truth, lions have never ruled the jungle. Their real throne lies under the blazing African sun, across endless seas of golden grass, where shadows move like whispers, and every heartbeat echoes through the wild. Every scar tells a story. Every roar shakes the horizon. He's not just a hunter, he's a guardian of balance. Unlike any other cat, lions live together, not alone. They form prides, families bound by loyalty, trust, and rhythm. The lionesses lead the hunt. The males guard the borders. And the cubs learn through play. The wild's first language of survival. They share every danger, every meal, every victory. In unity lies their power. This is not chaos. It's nature's harmony at work. When the sun falls, the savanna awakens. The lionesses move through the tall grass. Silent, patient, synchronized. Each step is a calculation. One wrong move, and the herd vanishes. One perfect strike, and the pride survives. It's not cruelty, it's balance. Here, life feeds life. The circle turns, and the wild endures. Science reveals their secret. Lions aren't just powerful, they're intelligent. Each pride member has a role: the protector, the teacher, the hunter. Their coordination raises survival by over 80%. They adapt, plan, and communicate in ways few animals can. That's why they're called kings. Not for dominance, but for discipline, order, and purpose. As the sun bleeds into gold, the lion stands tall, a silhouette against the dying light. His roar isn't just sound, it's the rhythm of life. A declaration that strength without balance means nothing. He reminds us to lead with courage, to protect what we love, and to live in harmony with the wild. If you believe in the beauty of balance, subscribe and stay wild with us.